Every person has his or her own ability to do something. If I am able to do something, it does not mean that you are also able to do that. And if you are able to do anything, it is not necessary I am too. In this chapter, we will discuss about abilities or possibilities of something.
Welcome to RPN, and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's think and speak English.
आज हम क्षमताओं और संभावनाओं को जानने का काम करेंगे. So guys, let's ask abilities and possibilities with the help of question-based structures. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि क्या आप या कोई और कुछ एक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? क्या हम जीत सकते हैं? क्या वो ये काम कर सकती है? क्या तुम उस दीवार को ऊंची कर सकते हो? Please use a structure. Can somebody action? Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? क्या हम जीत सकते हैं? Can we win? क्या वो ये काम कर सकती है? Can she do this work? क्या तुम उस दीवार को ऊंची कर सकते हो? Here is an action, ऊंचा करना. It means heighten. So please say here, can you heighten that wall? Let's do practice here. Here are some structures. Here is action, speak the truth. Please practice like, can I speak the truth? Can we speak the truth? Can he speak the truth? Can she speak the truth? Can they speak the truth? Can you speak the truth? Can Sunny speak the truth? Can Auntie speak the truth? Here are some more actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did. Let's ask abilities and possibilities with another question-based structures. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि आप या कोई और क्या एक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे मैं इस स्पीच को छोटा करने के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? Please use a structure. What can somebody action? Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. Here is an action, छोटा करना. It means shorten. Please say here, what can I do to shorten this speech? Let's take another question-based structures. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि आप या कोई और कैसे एक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे दर्जी इस जीन्स को लंबी कैसे कर सकता है? Please use a structure. How can somebody action? Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. Here is an action, लंबी करना. It means lengthen. Please say here, how can Taylor lengthen this jeans? Let's take another question-based structures. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि आप या कोई और कब एक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे सरकार इस रोड को कब चौड़ा कर सकती है? Please use a structure. When can somebody action? Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. Here is an action, चौड़ा करना. It means widen. Please say here, when can government widen this road? Let's take another question-based structure. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि आप या कोई और कहाँ एक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे मुझे पेच कसने के लिए पेचकस कहाँ मिल सकता है। प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर वेयर कैन somebody action. Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. Here is an action kasna. It means tighten. Please say here, where can I get screwdriver to tighten screw? Let's take another question based structure. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि आप या कोई और क्यों एक्शन नहीं कर सकते हैं, जैसे मिस्त्री इसे ढीला क्यों नहीं कर सकता, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर why can somebody not action. Let's speak these Hindi lines in English. Here is an action ढीला करना. It means loosen. Please say here, why can technician not loosen it? Let's take another structure. अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि आप या कोई और किसके साथ एक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे ये भवन चमकाने के लिए तुम किसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे सकते हो, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर who can somebody action. Let's speak this Hindi lines in English. Here is an action chamkana. It means brighten. Please say here, who can you give contract to brighten this building? Let's go to the next section for couple of daily use sentences. Here is first line. यह कैसे संभव है? How come it possible? Here is next. क्या तुम ये करने में योग्य हो? Are you able to do this? Let's go to the next section for word for a person. Here is a person, भविष्यवाणी करने वाला. It means forecaster. Here is a word भविष्यवाणी. It means forecasting. Here is an action also, भविष्यवाणी करना. It means forecast. Here is an example which uses all these words. Forecaster is a person who forecasts forecasting. Let's go to the next sections for idioms and proverbs. The idiom for the day is किसी को धूल चटाना और किसी को ध्याराशाही करना. It means bite someone dust. Here is an example. क्या तुम उसको धूल चटा सकते हो? Can you bite him dust?
It's time to practice. Please pause the video.
Thank you guys. Have a nice time.